Product features: 10.6 CFM, 300 LPM, up to 150 psi max pressure, pressure gauge included, heavy-duty shell, easy on/off switch, fin cylinders for better cooling, auto pressure cutoff at 120 psi. Includes M.O.A.B. compressor plus heavy-duty easy FLATE storage bag plus 26-foot rubber air hose with screw-on inflator tip, plus 5 feet lead hose plus pressure gauge, plus 3 nozzle adapters. Warranty: Easy FLATE is proud to offer a 1-year, 12-month hassle-free warranty and lifetime customer support for our customers. We are always here to help make sure you are happy and 100% satisfied. Speed and power: our M.O.A.B. compressor pumps your tires up to 3x faster than single-cylinder compressors. Pump up 40 tires 20 plus psi in a minute, making it quick so you can get back home. Easy to use: our setup is simple and easy. Just connect your compressor to your battery terminal, and connect your compressor to the tire, turn it on, and you are set to go. Try with our 4-tire kit.